welcome back. Hey, I'm glad you came back. I appreciate you coming back. So today I want to show you, again, we're going to do something different. I'm going to show you some instruments, and these instruments are what I use to facilitate sound healings for people. Um, Sound healings, what they are, is, as I said, your ears are very important, but you don't need your ears to do a sound healing, to feel a sound healing. The sound healing resonates through your body. It you don't to hear it is wonderful, but the frequency and vibration of each instrument is what provides the healing, allows the sound to pass through and shake or remove or push out any energy that you have stuck, staggered, or um, held down. A lot of people, when they get mad or upset or hurt or traumatized, instead of dealing with the energy or dealing with the emotions of the energy or dealing with the emotions of the trauma, instead of dealing with it, they push it down, and that energy gets stuck and stagnated inside your body and tends to cause pain, sometimes medical issues or problems. So, without further ado, here is the instruments. First ones first. They are called brass Tibetan bowls, and they come with these little wooden mallets with a velvet cover on it. So it almost sounds like a bell from from the fire alarms or something, you know. So here we go. Listen to that. Here we go. This is one of the bigger ones, as you can tell by the size of my hand versus the size of the bowl. Okay. When you run the velvet side along the edge of the bowl, it starts to vibrate the bowl, and the bowl resonates with the sound. Because of the size of this one, you can't really feel or hear the vibration, but you can feel it when you're being played with it. Played to it. When I play it to you. When you're physically here. How about I say that? So when you're physically present, that's when you can really hear it. So this is a lower vibration, or sorry, a smaller bowl but higher vibration, higher frequency. As well, when I rub the velvet side onto the bowl around its rim, like crystal, it starts to resonate the brass. And because of the size of the bowl, the sound is a higher frequency. You're able to hear it on here. So that's that one. This one's one of my favorite sounds. Okay, so, and let's show you this one here. This is a cute one. A lot of people have been seeing this one around. It's been becoming very popular, this design and this type of bowl. Same type, same style. It's also a brass Tibetan bowl. And because of the size, of course, it's going to be at a higher frequency. positioning is important. Bloopers. Maybe if there's a lot of oil on this, it shouldn't be. Try this mallet. Okay, so I think that mallet might need cleaning. Thank you. There we go. Okay. So that other mallet might need cleaning. Now, one other instrument is called Tinks. I'd love to spell it for you, and I had the spelling around here somewhere, and I think I've dropped it. But anyways, just they're called Tinks, and what you do is you just like that. Okay. And now, last but not least, the favorite of all, everybody's favorite. Everybody seems to really enjoy this one. And it's the last instrument for the night, like Koshi bell. I invite you to just close your eyes and just listen. Very, very beautiful, isn't it? And let me show you what it looks like on the inside. You're gonna really love how it looks. So that little guy smacks into each little bar. Interesting, isn't it? The wood then resonates the sound. Here. Versus holding on to the wood. Big difference, right? The wood really helps. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful instrument. Thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the little sound experiment here. And if you did, comment below. And tomorrow, I think I am actually going to perform an actual sound healing for you. So tune in tomorrow for my next video, and it will be me playing all the instruments for you, including the beautiful cedar wood flute. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your time, energy, and your commitment to watching my videos. Bye.